Welcome back to the Mad County Build Series. The drywall hanging is complete. It took them, they got about 90% of it done in one day. There was 5 guys, and then 2 of them came back and finished up today. But they're all done, so let's go check it out. So this is going to be the mud room right here. And this is the bathroom off the mud room. You can see that they used, I guess if some people call it green board, it's mold, mildew resistant drywall. Come through here. Got the closet underneath the stairs right here. And then we got this little room here that I made for the kids that will eventually, I don't know when they outgrow it, I'm not sure what we use it for, but it's plenty of storage, so. There's a couple people that were asking how wide the stairs are. The stairs are almost 48 inches wide. It's kind of hard to tell from the video, but they're pretty wide. I liked them. I wanted them as wide as I could get them. And then right here is where the slide will go. As you can kind of see, goes up. Got the kitchen. That's the pantry right there. Basically right here you'll be standing at the kitchen sink. So you can see you'll be able to see everything out there. Dining room. Master. This all right here will be a barn wood headboard. That's where our bed's going to be. And then I reclaimed a bunch of barn wood from my great-grandfather's farm. And it's going to all be made out of that, so that'll be pretty cool. And then this is the office right here. And then right here, there will be some pretty big custom-made barn sliding doors. So we can either leave them open, or Emily, she likes to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, so she can close those and work her little heart away. Master bath. Again, it's all the mildew-resistant drywall in here. Toilet room. That will be a custom tile shower. So we got washer and dryer over here. Got we'll build some custom shelving there. That is the safe room we were talking about, where I'll be storing screwdrivers, wrenches, stuff of that nature. And then along this wall, we'll have built-ins for our clothes, and then we'll have a big island out here in the middle. So I know some of you guys wanted to see time-lapse of the drywall. Unfortunately, there was a lot of guys here. I mean, they were just all over the place. I mean, as you can see, this place looks like a bomb went off. There was just nowhere for me to set a camera. There was nowhere for me to be in here without being in the way to record them, but I mean, it went fast. I can't believe they got it done as fast as they did, but man, it makes so much difference. And this room out here actually feels bigger with the drywall up, and I think that's because it brightens it up a lot. I mean, I'm really excited how bright it is in here without any lights. So I know when I turn those lights on for the first time, it's gonna be pretty amazing. But these posts really start to stand out and look even better than what I thought they were gonna look. So I'm pretty excited about that. One thing I'm really, really happy about is how these pre-installed wood jambs went on the windows. I mean, almost all of them are perfectly the way you want them. There are a couple that I'll have to do a little work to get the trim to sit flat, but other than that, most of them all fit really good, which I'm excited about. I was a little nervous about that because, you know, you get a little variation sometimes, but it turned out great. But that's downstairs, so let's go ahead and go upstairs and check that out. All right, this is the door leading back to all of the bedrooms and the laundry room for upstairs. And I made this so I could put a door here. I think Emily's going to put a door with glass in it. But I wanted to be able to isolate this all on its own HVAC system. So, got laundry. It's dark back here now, guys, so going to be hard to see in there. All the bedrooms you'll be able to see. That's utility, guest room. The bathroom, closet. Another bathroom. So once your drywallers hang the drywall, you want to do a walkthrough of your entire house and make sure outlets, lights, vents, and all that stuff weren't covered up. And I've done that, and the only thing that I can find that got covered up was one vent, and that's here in the mudroom, which there's a supply vent somewhere right there. So this is where taking pictures or video of your rooms and your HVAC, your plumbing, all that will come in handy. So I'm gonna go check my computer, look for the location of that, and then get that cut out. That's the only one I could find, so I'm pretty excited about that. All right, so it's right up there somewhere. If I come right up that window sash and come out about 10, 12 inches, it should be right there. Got it. All right, so you can see I got lucky and hit it on the first time, and we got it cut out. I will be going up into the attic to seal off all around all the lights, all the vent fans, all the top plates. I'll bring that to you when I do it. And while they're finishing the drywall, my plan is to get all of my ductwork installed in the attic. And then once they're done, I'll quickly cut my vents into each room upstairs, and then I can get going on the house right away, and get that blow-in insulation. But if you guys haven't already, do me a favor and subscribe to our channel, hit that bell for notifications, give us a like and share us with all your friends. But thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.